How to use getString function in AutoCAD. Solution. The getString function asks the user to enter the text. This function waits for user input of a text string and then return the value. Only the first 132 characters of a string can be returned. This is the sample code. Here command name we have defined is string. The value of getString function is stored in A and B variables under setQ function. After this we have compared the strings by using if and equal or not equal functions. See how it works. First we load this sample code. Run string command to run this code. Enter first string example Mike. Enter second string example Roy. Press enter to compare. You can see message displayed strings are not equal. Run again string command. Enter first string as Mike. Enter second string also Mike. Press enter to compare. You can see message displayed strings are equal. Run again string command. Enter first string as Mike in uppercase. Enter second string as Mike in lowercase. Press enter to compare. You can see message displayed strings are not equal. So this function can compare case-sensitive strings also.